Now she can't beg me. I can't tell no. She can't say she could give me a goosey soup.
I know that you are in love with Ofe Egusi.
Could you imagine that Ikenna told me not to come to the rehearsal?
For what? Is he your father?
As in what's come? Ordinary boyfriend. Just boyfriend.
The boyfriend.
Hey!
Which one am I him name?
Where this girl from? Where my ladies from? Where they from? So if it's not that you will see, honestly, you will not enjoy.
Come, wait, go back and introduce. What is that? Whenever you open this your mouth, what comes out from your mouth is girl, one, girl, one, girl. Eh? Since we have been mingling together, I've never heard you guys talk of God. This is too much.
Ogiri.
Ogiri.
Ogiri. Ogiri, you are not pushing me to start suspecting you. If we don't talk of ladies, who do we talk of?
Nah, it is too much.
Nah,
this one is getting out of hand. It is too much. Minimize the rate you talk about girls in this your mouth.
Girls, I really enjoyed today's practice. It was awesome.
My dear, that Ijiji is a wonderful dance. He dances a lot.
To tell you the truth, I don't like to listen about girls in this group. If not for one thing, I would have let that go for long.
Oh, no. It hasn't gotten to that, my sister.
Wait, where are all these girls coming from? And where are they heading to?
Wait, you asked me that question?
For you and Opakana, anybody answer?
Oh, my wife is even among...
Your wife? Have you married?
My wife?
You've married? Legal or illegal?
Hey, John,
Please, what is it? Be fast. I don't have time.
Stop it. I like it. Eh? See, where all these guys went to this village? Where from them and where did they go?
Where you bugging at Tachama?
Thank you, it's a pleasure. The pleasure is mine.
You want an answer?
What are friends for?
Okay. We are coming from a place house.
Hey! Hey!
What happened? Did his mother die? Who died? Hi! I know something will happen.
We are coming from rehearsal. Dancing rehearsals, that's what we went to do now. Eh? Why are you surprised?
No, I can't.
Let me tell you, I don't have time, eh? As you can see, I'm already stressed up because I've been dancing since. And I'm still going back there to dance more. I need to go home now and freshen up so that I'll have more strength because I'm really enjoying the dance.
Oh, you have strength to dance, but you don't have strength to be with me.
Please, Donna. I am very, very hungry and tired. Leave me alone, please. Leave me, oh. Leave me.
You will still go this evening. How do you need to break?
No,
wait. Now I know where my problems are coming from.
Do you want to cry?
No, I can't.
Hold it. You know you are a man. Hold it like a man. But if you can't hold it, dispose it.
Ekwe took my wife.
Yeah. Uncle, kill your wife. I come out.
So Ekwe is the problem I have.
Ekwe is not just the problem you have. Ekwe is the whole problem you have. In fact, Ekwe is the super problem you have. So once you solve Ekwe's problem, your problem is solved. All your problems. But wait, to come to think of it, you mean all these guests, they are coming from Ekwe's house in the name of dancing or doing whatever? I don't understand.
Ogiri, are you blind?
Oh, is that a compliment or an insult?
I have always known that boy, Ekwe, will deal with all of us in this village. I knew it that he would deal with all of us in this village without his nonsense fluid.
Excuse me. He can never deal with me. In fact, he can't deal with me.
No, look at all the girls are not coming out from his house. When I say banquet, when I say banquet,
make I ask one question.
No, you are free to ask.
Is that Papa say make I cry?
Hey, since you can't hold it, you just vomit it out. Cry, yeah? Cry your sorrow out.
Now that Ekwe has taken almost all the ladies in this village, what do we do? I
know what I will do.
Hey, you have idea. To Ekwe's house. Be careful. Remember what the girl you called your wife or your wife to be told you. Big man without anything. You know that Ekwe has an apple, everything. One punch, one blow. Come back and live your life the second chance God gave you. Donna? Come back and live your life the second chance.
Give him your mercy.
If you get me.
Give him your mercy. No problem.
You think a big man?
Okay. You see, Ekwe has taken out the ladies in this village. And now we have no other option than Ijababancha.
The kingdom of God, in fact, our kingdom of God, and only us, by force, take it from the by force.
No problem. The most important thing, can you if I should apply the lock soap,
waiting down the mind.
Help yourself.
Waiting on the thing.
Huh?
Job una no get.
I cover my
Una parents don't tire. Even guests for village.
Let's go to my house.
They run for now. People don't tire. Everybody don't tire.
Ndi Zuzu.
Okay.
Ndi Beribe.
Ekwe, you and girls.
Ndiaga. Ha weru sense. Ha ne Zuzu.
Ewo.
Why are you doing this style? I should have done this style or Canada style.
You want me to look like Igbo, yeah?
But that one is our own style. So we are looking like Igbo. It's a girl that is born in Olute that is called Igbo. And the one that is born on Ekede is here. So it doesn't matter. That's our culture, that's our language.
You can now smile because I don't know if they're singing your name. Even from there, sir, mommy, but I run inside. Mommy would have run inside, sir.
At that time now, when you are coming in, your face will be like.
I was wondering.
Mommy, don't you know that I'm a hungry man is an angry man?
I know.
Mommy, guess what? I bought something for you.
Wait now. Is it your own? They said bought something for. Hey! What is this nice? It's my own. Yes. Mama,
Mama, I'm with a nanny. Also, someone oh, your name. Mama,
Yes, I'm going to leave my own for you. For me.
Come.
Don't buy it anymore for me.
Come. Do you want to sit down?
And now, so that Mama will finish making my hair now.
Go inside. Go and get me my food.
Also, what?
Well, you did not get anything for me.
Don't get me! Come on, go. What all these boys living around the two people call it? Malay boy! Malay! Gracias, Malay boy!
Mommy,
so that they can buy me cheap. Oh my phone of 32
by done.
Plus.
By the
you gotta go. Batama. Oh, Batama. I don't know about go with it. Over there, go with it. No,
Mommy, your problem is this. For how many years you married Papa in this town?
I can't speak.
You can't speak of it. She, oh, your man.
Oh, your man. Whatever. Open.
So, use this one. Prepare.
Is this for me?
Yes. Prepare.
As if you knew. No, I'm going to cook and send to my shop because for some time now I haven't been visiting that shop, and my customers they line up waiting for my beautiful soup. But I'll bring out your own now. How many I gave you before? You got to go.
You can now smile.
You see money. Flowing in. Yeah.
Mommy, you cannot smile now.
They won't take 30. Oh, no, those got 30. Got 30. No, there's a museum.
You can now smile.
See, Ija.
Mama.
Ego.
Mama, you can smile now.
Yes. I'm going to go in our you know.
I'm so happy. I never knew this is going to be like this. Hey, Name. I am so surprised as you are. Hey. You know, I only joined that group because I'm in love with the flute. I never knew things would turn out this way. I'm telling you. Hey. Mom, hey. Oh, Mom. Hey. I'm so happy. I didn't know that this group go so many places and make money too. Hey, make you never. I'm gonna ask you to come and fetch firewood. That's what I'm doing. Hey, okay. I'm going to the market. Oh, I'm going to get some money.
Hi. Hi.
Why are you vibrating, panting up?
No, he's right.
He's right or what? Based
It
on
is
what?
not clear to everyone.
Like as if you don't know anything.
That Ekwe has colonized all the girls in this kingdom.
Hey! Story now. Huh? I don't know about Ulu Menana. It has become old story. Is that why you guys are the hey clapping?
I couldn't believe my eyes.
Better start believing it. Start believing your eyes.
That all the girls we've been tracking in this village, all of them have gone to Ekwe. Okay? Gratus. You know what I'm thinking?
Anything you like, think.
You know what I'm thinking?
Think whatever
you see that boy, Ekwe? That boy is using juju.
Huh?
Yes, he used charms on those girls. If I know Bayaka.
You can't walk with a bamborogo or sina nesika because they no concur to you. Now you have reversed the case that he's using charm. It's a lie. There's no juju involved, no charm. See, let me tell you what is involved. What is involved is that he's useless and nonsensical order. Let me tell you. See now, if you want to conquer him, we have to form our own musical and dancing group. Buy that same moja and form our own musical dancing group. You will see the way we'll be dancing and singing, and we attract every girl to ourselves. In that way, you know, they say that when the going gets tough, the tougher gets going.
Hey!
You understand? So forget about all this and see if thing is a new thing.
Absolutely.
Hey!
I support you. See, I buy that idea.
Thank you, my dear.
See, let's just go immediately to the market, buy Oja, start dancing and blowing. to bring our girls back. Because as you are seeing me here, I cannot sit and watch just one boy colonize all the girls. In fact, we are now on operation bring back our girls.
Now you are talking.
Hey! You can say that again.
You know my brother's story is not different from the story Papa told us about what happened during the war. It's not far from it.
That is why I'm not comfortable. I am not comfortable. Do you know that anytime my phone rings, hey, my heart will be making bim, 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 because I will be expecting somebody to call me and announce his death.
No, Mama, God forbid. It hasn't gotten to that. God forbid. Nothing will happen to my brother. My brother will go for that war. He will go and come back safe and sound. Nothing will happen to him. He will come back in peace. Eh? Nothing will happen to him.
How can somebody's only son?
Mama,
I don't like
choice. It's his choice. Eh? We can't start blaming him now. Forget about it. I want to go and see my friend. I wanted to go out before. Don't worry, let me go and see my friend in Kechi. Then when I come back, stop thinking. I'll soon be back.
Adam one. John Majidako. Guess that for the Prince Jidako. One of Movies. Hey! You might not know Jima Chatamari. Prince Jidako. One of Movies. Hey, it is well.
Your Malay son-in-law. Yes, so Malay.
This Did you buy oil?
Mom. Things are very costly.
Oh!
What if you're that time?
Jesus.
I want Jesus. Oh man,
but it's clean now. It's very nice.
Yeah.
My one know what else.
I thought we were making this money together now.
I'm making the money together. I'm eating together with you. Not Paula.
Nadia, come. I was just about telling your sister something. Now that you people are making and things are comfortable for us, I think we should allow Prince one of Mbise to come now and pay her down. Maybe get her engaged. Let us go to the market and buy her church.
For my traditional marriage.
That's your for
your traditional marriage.
Yes, easy. Okay. So you can go and keep that thing.
Okay. I have a wonderful testimony and wonderful information to give you.
Really?
Which is Governor Owele of Imo State, Rojas, paid him 10 million naira into our account.
Mama, are you joking?
Yes, as you can see, our team now is one of the team. The best. So we'll be
your family to enjoy this money with us. Much to see it. I can be anyone who's not. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Eh? Look at the quantity of speech you are pouring inside this thing. Now, would you somebody come as? Eh? Or not to pour blood, come on, but I know just to follow married woman up and down, you pass that one. You buy first, eh? But ordinary oja, you don't know how to blow it. Look at the way you're doing your mouth like going to a miara. Eh? What can me teach you so that all of you will learn? Now look at my mouth and wash my hand. First of all, do your hand like this. You didn't tell like this, then you add your mouth. Wait, let me try more.
It's like your own is even worse.
My own is not worse. My own is not worse.
Donatus.
We even made an attempt. You don't got that sub there. Did you put any effort?
Ugiri. Donatus. I'm even watching the both of you and I'm laughing.
You are laughing at us?
Yes.
We that I will do that. I haven't given our best.
Don't you know that blowing oja is not ordinary? Huh? This oja is spiritual. I'm not gonna know. I haven't heard that oja controls more than 700 demons. Evil spirits. It is so spiritual, and that is why women runs after this. And I was told that oja controls more than 700 demons. I have not said this right though. They wash oja in the shrine for proper scatification.
The last verse, I buy the idea.
Okay.
Washing in the shrine. In that case, let's go and meet a native doctor that will wash it for us, so that after washing it, in fact, we accumulate all kinds of women at each other. So how did you see the idea?
Ugiri, are you deaf? Did you not hear what I told you?
Loud and clear.
I said this oja controls more than 700 demons.
Forget about the 700 demons.
It's not 700 gears, demons.
You are pouring more spit inside this thing, and maybe the doctor that will watch this thing, Obun Nepal spit, he would have got us more money, but seeing quantity of spit, he will charge us the most. So
okay, since you have agreed to go there, since you have done, just hold it.
Hey, are you crazy? They haven't watched this oja and they are making it to touch me. Wait till they watch this oja, then you can allow it to touch me. Are you mad? And for you, you did not buy our idea. You did not consent to our agreement. Then what is your own suggestion? Come down and let's go and meet native doctor that watch this thing. Come down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
If you are leaving, who will hold the oja? The oja cannot be here now. How will we take him?
Will I go your clothes and hold it?
Don't you know what happened? Bring the oja. Let's go. Don't worry. From the 700 demons, I will give you 450 because of your size. And you will take. You can accommodate them now.
You know, I don't know. This is how God blesses someone. No. See me, I'm speechless.
I knew it was going to turn out well from the beginning because Ekwe and his sister are genuine people.
Amen. No. Let me go and buy something for my mother.
Amadi, onye soja, onye ike, ibatago. onye soja, onye ike, ibatago. Amadi, onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
Ada, why is it that you don't want to get married? Is it that men, they don't see you, they don't notice you, or what? Or you don't look at them? Eh? You have finished school, you are now working, yet you are not married. Eh? Why? And your brother now is nowhere to be found. He is not married too. Why are you children behaving like this?
I don't know why you're disturbing yourself. You should know that God's time is the best. Eh? Or do you want me to make a wrong choice tomorrow that all of us will regret? I don't want to make mistakes. See how you and daddy is enjoying yourselves. I want to enjoy my own marriage tomorrow now.
So you better choose. You better choose quick.
I will.
Where are you laughing? Where are you laughing?
No, let us stay in the house with me.
No.
Let us stay now. Let us stay.
You don't know that women fade away.
I'm going now.
Where are you going again?
I told you in the morning that Chief Venus invited me. And the time has passed. So let me just rush and go.
Okay, don't stay too much.
No. Don't stay.
Buy something for me.
Yeah. Stay in the house with me every morning. Yeah. Okay. I always try.
Don't say the buy something.
Before what they want.
Amadi, onye soja, onye ike, ibatago. Amadi, onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
So you are even wearing my clothes?
My own are not dry. They're not dry. Mama, where are you going to?
What kind of question is that? Am I your wife?
Sorry. Mama, please. Where are you going to? Or I don't get right again to ask my mother, say, where you go?
Anyway, it's okay. I'm going to Mama Amadi's house. I heard that her son just came back.
Oh.
So I want to go and welcome our dear soldier son.
Okay. So my food, Uncle. Where's my food?
Food? Do I even bring you? You are here even asking for food. I want to go and welcome a wonderful and hard-working son who just came back. Go and get yourself a wife if you cannot prepare yourself.
Mama, I see you. It's no good though. It's no good, Mama. You are going to welcome another person's son. When you never welcome me and you there here, you never welcome me for once. What why that people say, Amadi na soja. You know come back from Obodo Igbo. So no expect saying they carry bread or tomato anything come back. Now bullets and bomb. So if you bring it back here, Mama, I'm gonna get one problem. You're going to welcome another person's son.
You're not even ashamed. Somebody who is very hard working, I'm going to see.
Yes, he's hard working and I'm soft working. Soft work. No stress. C4. Why?
If you see what I see for SAMBISA. But you trust your boy now.
Hey! Thank God, oh. Thank thank God you came back alive. Eh? My son, is it true that those boys now, they say they used to plant Ogun in their pants and they will come out and they will blow people up?
Including themselves now?
Hey! Yes!
Well,
oh, wow.
Papa, Mama, that too happens. But our main priority is to rescue those girls that were kidnapped. Yes, I had that too. I had it. Nothing we can do is our work. We must do it. We must serve this country.
Hey! Who knows how their parents are?
That's my son.
God is their strength.
Chai! If it's me, I don't think I will survive it too. Hey!
I know you don't have heart.
You don't get heart.
Mama don't get heart. I don't say back of ego.
Yeah, like father, like
son. Father, like
son. Before I forget, it's important thing now. When are you going to see that girl's parents and get married? I need my grandchildren now.
Wani.
Allow him cool down. He has just arrived. Why on our boss? I'm about joking. Why on our boss?
Mama, you have come again. You have come again. You just came back. Just allow him to.
Hey, shut up!
What is it? What
Who
is
asked
this
for your
opinion?
Allow him.
Who asked for your opinion?
Look at her mouth. No! Stay in this house with me. I will stay in this room and you will stay in the other room.
Go.
Nonsense.
Mama and Papa, it's
okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Mama, we'll discuss more about this later. Please. Is my food ready?
Food? Igbo. Very, very ready.
I believe you, Mama. That's very important.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
Look at you. You've grown so big, oh. Huh?
In Sambisa Forest. I've missed this test for long. Hey.
What do you mean? Does it mean you don't have this kind of drinks over there?
Who will give you and when is the time? See, listen. In that forest, when you are on a mission, you won't have tests. You will never have tests for anything.
Are you serious?
Though you can long for it, but test it.
You mean that?
No way.
But sure that a human being will give blood now. Why they no go just give her one?
That brings my next question. What of the girls? As you know, Mama.
Once you are caught in that place as a soldier, it's court martial.
I saw a court again.
What is court martial?
You don't know the meaning of court martial be had. You measure me at court martial.
This Okon, this Calabar boy, no go kill me. We all know this guy. Court martial means you will be sent off from army without no kobo. Huh? You don't know. That time you are village people, you will be disgraced.
Hey!
Wait, Amadi. What about the Chibok girls?
I heard the Chibok girls. Yeah, the Chibok girls.
Those Bush Haram men, they just went to an innocent village and kidnapped the most beautiful girls in that village. I don't want to remember about that. I just want to enjoy myself in this city and go back.
They did what?
They kidnapped them.
They kidnapped the beautiful girls in a particular village?
200.
Huh? Hey! No, no, kidnap.
If you see them now, they have grown big.
Hey!
Very beautiful now. If you see them. Hey!
But I heard that some of them escaped from that place.
Escaped? You are right. You are right somehow. Some of them don't escape from that place. Now when they don't tire from that bush, they go escape, and when they come out there, they go enter nearby village. You know, say that village, that forest too big. Before you go escape, go like small road like this where you go there. Men where they pass for that road, like soldiers or those people where pass there, go just grab them. If they grab them, they go carry them go house, go stay. That one don't become your own.
So, you mean those girls are still there?
They're there now.
Huh? Where is the ground ratus?
Anime yegi unku ina aboso.
Bama!
Na Bama we try unku. Bring more drinks. Bring more drinks.
You settle him, Abi?
I will pay, don't worry. But where are you going to? Huh? In Sambisa forest.
I'm about to stay here.
200
girls!
Oh, talk inside that Sambisa. But a lot of money, oh. Greet your mother for me.
Onye soja, onye ike,
My son. Hey, I am very, very happy. And as I was saying, it's very good for a son to take advice, especially when it comes from the parents. And I know what has led you to and fro is your imbibement of scripture. Remember, I made you understand that you must follow the scriptures, especially your Psalms, and particularly Psalm 91. And once you have that fear of God in you, you are under the umbrella of God, and nothing ever happens to you. Even if you are in the midst of the enemies, they will not see you. God will protect you. God will cover you. God will be your guide and guardian. You are protector. You are everything. So I am very happy and proud of you. And we were talking, your mommy was mentioning the bully and all that. These things were manufactured during the Nigerian Biafran War. It's just a small bucket of this obuni will finish the whole village. You know what the name is? It is the Nigerian atomic bomb. Once you blow it, I trust you, Papa. You know their names.
No, like father, like son.
The score now. No, I played a prominent role during that period.
Really?
Yes, I did. Yes. So you, as a Nigerian man, you are the son of the soil. You are Nigeria itself. Nigeria will ever take care of you. That you are here, they know you are here. And nothing will ever happen to you. It's an insurance. Apart from insuring yourself in the hands of God, it is a second insurance in the hands of the country. You are son of the country.
Yes.
I am happy.
Thank you,
So have your experience. Always be proud of your profession. And God will always lead you through. And I was very happy. I heard when you were singing last night.
I pray always. It has been leading me through.
That you are in the army does not mean you won't worship God or you go to native tonto. Those things are rubbish. God is enough to protect and lead you through. My son, you are welcome.
Like father, like son.
Okay.
All things are Sam.
I'm going to buy you some.
So that is it.
Let us call a spade a spade.
Spade, you are the spade.
If Amadi is right, as he claims to be, why did he not bring one of the girls home? Since he knows fully well that he's coming back home.
Are you the one saying all these things? As if you don't know Amadi's mother. See, let me tell you. In fact, Amadi's mother will not even concur to the idea. Left for me, Amadi is very wise. He had something upstairs. I am saying all this kind of thing.
This one on the talk not be my problem.
We know you have many problems. What? Problems are all over you. Just tell us, be saying it one by one, and let's be solving it for you.
My problem is say where this Sambisa day?
Huh? Sangere?
Sambisa.
For bushi na? For bushi. Sambisa.
Look at this small question that children of nowadays answer easily. They are asking of Sambisa. See, let me tell you. Sambisa is bush, and from that bush we will easily locate those girls. And you know what that means? Mission impossible accomplished by me.
I heard.
That's not my problem.
Another problem? No problem. Just be saying it one after the other, and we are here for you. What are friends for?
Are they hungry? Opaka, you cook?
Donna? English Guamira and Negafo.
I beg your pardon.
Njozo na ngomila la never 9 months. I don't get it 2 months.
More than
Well, I get a montant. I look a montant. And you say Bacalago.
What's the meaning of that? Why are you looking at me like he goat? Huh? I'm not the one you want to ask me. I cook, but I cook. Am I your cook? Am I you guys cook? If you want to eat, just go outside there and go and cook. Eat.
Oh, Ugly, we all know the truth. This house belongs to you. So go in there, bring whatever you have, let us eat and marry.
As your mother or your father. Did you give me any money to cook? See, let me tell you, I have no mother, I have no father, only a sister. And that's my sister. If I give her money, she will cook. If I did not, no cooking. So the food that is here now, in fact, if you want to eat for 500 naira.
Hey! How much restaurant going to save food?
But you saw the restaurant when you were coming here. Why don't you eat food from there?
Will you give us food or you wouldn't?
500.
For meal. Okay? Are you not doing the business of Madam Kinyem?
Look at, see me see trouble. What do you mean by Madam Kinyem? See, let me tell you. No argument. Nothing.
I know what make it.
Food is food. If you want food, I will give you. If you want meal, I will give you.
We don't even need food from you.
So what do you need?
What we just need is just meal. Are you hungry? Do you need food from us?
For what suppose? For what suppose?
Just give us meal.
I know, Igbos. See, let me tell you. Whether you want meal or food or... in fact, meal, food. So if I give you meal, I will give you food, give you water, and show the toilet where you shit on it, and give you
See, let me tell you, if that is the case, you see this your house, we are not going, in fact, this is the lowest we can go, we are not going lower than this.
Yes, it's obvious. I know you have decided to make my house your second house. No, don't worry, I will find mat for you, so that you will sleep and make, in fact, this flower is more than anything.
To hell with your food.
And to hell with you.
To hell with your food.
I said to hell with you.
To hell with your food.
To hell with you. So?
See, I called you people for a purpose.
Of course, no. I just called for nothing.
I just want to ask you people one thing and I'll be okay. Which is, why do we need a flute that will lead us to a native doctor?
Oh, Donatus, why can't you be reasonable for once in your life? We are going there to bring back our girls that stupid Ekwe collected from us. Why can't you be reasonable for once in your life? You know who is
Donatus, at times you talk and reason like animal with lower brain. Come, let me ask you. What kind of brand did you take this afternoon that made you to be talking senseless? Because you are talking nonsense and senseless something.
Okay.
You know that our main purpose and our main reason of going to see a native doctor is to retrieve all our girls back to us, to ourselves. And they are here for meeting what I don't even know. If you don't have any other thing to just say, we will leave.
Who blocked the girls where they retrieve them?
Okay, more here block.
Okay, fine. Good answer.
Look at this man.
Good answer.
Boy.
I agree. Tough and I don't answer well. I concur.
So we can now go now.
Why not if not? I get another question.
You still have another question?
Just one question. So what I want to ask now is, why don't we go and have like 100 girls all to ourselves? Just all to ourselves. No sharing.
Where are they? 100 of girls.
All to ourselves.
Where did you pack them? In your house?
Where
are they? In your house or your kitchen? Where now? I beg you back. 100 of girls.
Donatus is here. We are saying the same thing. We are saying the same thing unless you have a different opinion.
Yes, so I have.
Okay, share with us. Tell us.
Okay.
Tell us.
Why don't we go to Sambisa forest and have 200 virgin all to ourselves? Yes, maybe 200 and maybe 30. Maybe we go down this virgin. 170 still there in 30.
Sambisa forest. Yes, I've been hearing of that forest.
Amadi told us now.
That forest, they say that girls are kidnapped and held there. For the very first time in Nigeria, The good news of Donatus talking sensibly.
Thank you for backing with us.
I buy the idea. The very first time you're talking sensibly.
So we have concluded.
Ogri, you mean you bought the idea?
We have agreed. Huh? We have agreed.
I got him the idea. I buy the idea.
Ogri, you bought the idea?
Of course.
I failed to buy it.
That means you don't have money to buy it.
I don't support this idea at all. Huh? How can we think of going to this Sambisa forest when none of us here knows the road? We're not looking for Uzo. Huh? Oh my God! I have one at TV. I seen 3 huge men miss their road. It is somehow.
At times I count you among the people that talk sensibly. At times I reason you as person that has sense, not the people that talk like Donatus at times before. Look at the way you are thinking. Like
the next time you try a rubbish. Are you stupid?
Back in door. But you can't bite. You can never even bite.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Now come. See, let me tell you. You beat me.
I beaten you.
I'm coming back to you. So, my dear, Sambisa forest is just an ordinary. In fact, it's just forest. Look at forest. Look at Sambisa forest. Once we enter into the forest, we will head to the Sambisa forest.
Two of them have a very close relationship.
So you don't need to know any road before coming to the Sambisa. Look at Sambisa. Look at forest. Look at forest. Look at Sambisa. Ibaigi more for the Sambisa forest, and we will exhibit our plans.
I don't even think you guys are understanding what I mean. Now let us look at it from this angle. Let us see it from this angle. Mind you that we don't have weapons.
Are we going there to hunt?
We don't have weapons, so. I'm coming. Allow me to land. I'm coming. And the moment you step your foot inside that Sambisa forest, you have 2 people to contend with.
I know is the kidnap gears and the gardener guiders. The guiders.
It is either the military or the Boko Haram. That is before you will even think of getting closer to the girls.
Me?
That is if it will be possible. So, my candid advice as my friends is for us to go and meet a native doctor. Let him give us chamo. At least I know fully well that he will ask us to go and bring cock.
Ofu okuko.
And the
mother has it here.
Oh yes, you know. Now for us to go inside that forest and risk our life, sir.
Okay, no problem. I go give a reason now when on your own you go agree to go there. In fact, you go die hopefully. Die waste. If you enter that forest now, bam, you go see like 200 gears will make sense on their own virgins. You go begin chop. Secondly, you go see gears when they nobody they dragon with you. You know what virgin mean to this virgin and another thing. You go chop them till you tire. Tell me why someone will not be willing to die in the Sambisa forest. Because when you meet these virgins, oh, the sundown, you will like it.
See, it's not as if I have not buy the idea, but I am encouraged and discouraged. I mean, what I want to do now is take the risk and join the millionaire because I am encouraged, but in the same time, I am discouraged.
Why are you discouraged?
I am discouraged because there is Boko Haram and the militants inside the bush.
Why are you encouraged?
Because there are plenty of girls for us to cultivate us.
Why dismantle?
I'm dismantled because both of you, I don't know if you are the man to...
Only one bomb will scatter this your stomach.
No.
One bomb.
No.
One bomb.
It's a lie.
You are gone.
You people are taller than me. Even if they start to shoot, they'll first kill the taller than me.
It's a lie.
Soldiers hide themselves under the grass.
It's a lie. They shoot.
No hiding place, so.
They shoot Binet and the bullets will get you first.
No hiding place, so. I know you're sure. You are closer to the ground.
What?
You are closer to the ground, so bullets will start from here and go here, straight to this place. I've asked you to grow taller. You don't want to grow taller. Look at you. Okay, we are going now. You want to join us?
You go Sambisa rest, come back, come to the seafood, so say fine girls today for Sambisa forest, yeah.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike ibatago.
Amadi, onye njeme, onye ami. Waiting there for their mind be say, Sambisa forest now for enjoyment, yeah.
Why you not tell them? Waiting your eyes see for Sambisa forest, yeah. Ewo. Donatus, oh.
Donatus,
you there senseless, oh. Big for nothing fool. You know the think at all. Your mama no get money. The money where she get, you carry and give woman.
Onye nzuzu, onye iberibe, ewo.
Dona, ugiri, n'ụkpaka.
Ọ bụ gịnị bụ iwu unu?
Iyo kokoko. Dona ugiri, ụkpaka. Wetin una dey do? Wetin una dey find? Wetin dey una mind?
Did I wake up? Tata Shefugo.
What?
Tata.
Where's Mama?
Your mother. Did you come with your mother? Where did you hip her? Where did you hip her? Let us go and bring her.
My mother and aunt. Where did hip her?
See, Donna, just look around. Look around and see where we are. We're in the forest. So by now, self, we should be heading to where the girls are. So let's start. In fact, let us embark on the journey we came from. Let's
How do you know any route to Sambisa? We just enter this forest.
That is not a problem. We're already in the forest. We should be heading forward, inside. The only thing we need to listen one sound of gunshot, boom, or any sound of female voice. Then we will know that we are heading to the right track and we are heading to where we are going to. Stand up and let's start going.
Wait. So you want to tell me saying I saw Amadi trek from Sambisa Forest Rich Village? Come,
elephant. See, let me tell you. Amadi is an army man. They do come with army jet. We are not an army people now. Then stop asking these rhetorical questions and let us embark on our journey. What do you want to do?
If you can't hear gunshot, you can't be saying a human hunter.
Your body will accept the bullets because you are taller than me.
Are you not fatter than me?
No, you are taller than me. Before the bullet reaches me,
I'm not the gun.
You are dead and I'll pick raise.
No, let me stop.
Put a taco bread here. Taco bread here. It's a taco bread here. Wait, let me pack my bag. You come on, Mario.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
Amadi kusago bodo.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
You go Sambisa forest, come back, come to the seafood, so say fine girls today for Sambisa forest, yeah.
What is happening? What is happening? This one I've not set my eyes on Ogiri and Donatus. I hope all is well. Huh? What am I even saying? I hope the both of them are in good condition. Okay. There's no need for me to panic. I'll quickly go to Ogiri's house to go and confirm. Oh yes, that is exactly what I will do. I will go to Ogiri's house to confirm. Huh? I'll go so for ma. I'm not one them. Akwo so fuma. Amota no nwa dem ma. Oh yes. Akwo so fuma. Amota nwa dem ma.
Amadi onye njeme onye ami. Waiting there for their mind be say Sambisa forest now for enjoyment. Yeah.
Why you not tell them? Waiting your eyes see for Sambisa forest. Yeah.
Thank you. How is you?
I know.
You don't need to tell me that you're fine. From what I'm seeing, you look so good and gorgeous.
Thank you.
You know, he's taking good care of you. Go and call Ogiri for me. It's very important. Go and
But Obaka, he's not around though.
He's not around. He's not around.
Is there any problem?
You know what? Tell him that I came looking for him.
You know, I thought he was with you.
Hey.
Since morning when I returned from the market, I did not see him as soon. So I felt he was with you.
I came here to deliver a message. That's when I thought what. Because tell him that too.
Okay. Back and car safe.
Obaka, Ogini, are you looking for somebody?
Did you see Ogri and Donatus?
Are they missing?
I have searched for them everywhere in this village. I can't see them.
Check their houses. You don't go their house.
Hey! I was a former motor one. I came here for a solution. You're not talking question here.
Which one be Donatus and this one? Are they missing? Nice.
Money is still far. Out for me. Donna, why did you stop?
I'm hungry.
Again?
I'm hungry.
How many times will you eat? You have finished all the water, everything that you came here with, and still you are hungry. Still, let me ask you, what is there any pit in your tummy that whenever you eat, you can force into that pit without feeling? Don't you ever deworm yourself? Warm. Then you should deworm yourself and kill that caterpillar that always flushes everything that you eat in no distance time. Okay, you know what? Just come, let's go. Maybe by God's grace, you will see somewhere they sell something here.
So, for your mind, this forest resembles where somebody will keep canteen. Now, Boki go do a bina who?
You know, in this forest, you can expect the unimaginable forest. I know you. Okay, you know what? Let us just go and grab those girls. Come back immediately. Finish. And you eat as many quantity as you like. I know. Now, let's go now. Donna, stand up.
I'm a man here.
You are here.
What do you do?
I'm sympathizing with you. And you know that your tummy now is not requesting for something more. Don't be angry, and don't lose courage. Let's just go and complete our mission impossible. Grab all the girls.
So we'll get this, huh?
For sure now.
We'll get this.
Only that one, maybe when we get it.
That one alone don't give me hope.
We will test one, we will eat one. After eating one,
where are we taking?
We are passing through your nose. Then you come out from your anus.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
You go Sambisa forest, come back, come to the seafood, so say fine girls today for Sambisa Forest, yeah.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike ibatago.
Hey! 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 Hungry! What is this? What happened to you? What is this? What's in their face like this?
In fact, you must be a joker. You must be a joker. Look at you.
Trailer they go for forest.
Don't even ask me that stupid question. He didn't chicken also anani. Eh? Was it not your fault? Eh? It's your fault. I told you not to eat that poisonous fruit. Not to eat it, not to eat it. You went ahead and ate it. Eh? I went out. Now this is the outcome on my face.
I never even still understand. Wait. Fruit when me I chop. Come out for your face.
In fact, you are a joker.
You sure so? No be rock. Not true, sorry. Sorry, now I know say the thing now. Now hi.
Mama. Good evening. Ma, thank God that you are here. Thank God that you are here. Oh. Mama, I hope all is well. All is not well, oh. Since morning, I've not seen my son. I don't know what has happened to him. Oh. Mama, I thought as much. Because immediately I got your message, I started running out to your house. But Mama, have you checked the places he normally goes to and to his friends? I'm here to check, I'm here to go, I'm confused. Mama, don't worry. Donatus, I know, will certainly come back. But if he doesn't come back, I, as the youth leader, I will set up search parties from the youth. Then we'll go in search of him. So, relax your mind.
Awale. Shabe jibe.
Oh, no.
No. Ndewo. Dalo. Waka de mama nto.
Did Donatus send you?
Donatus.
You've not seen him?
I came looking for him.
Hey! Hey, youth leader, I told you that Donatus has gone missing. No, he has gone missing. Hey! Mama, stop worrying yourself. I've given you my word. If Donatus doesn't come back from now to tomorrow, I will organize the youth and we'll go instead of him in and outside this community. And we must find him. So relax your mind. So I should relax. Relax your mind. Okay. Opa can you even go with us because
see Mama, if we can't find Donatus, Awale and the youth will go and search for him. I will support them.
So I should relax.
I'm giving them my moral support.
Opa can you are part of the youth?
I know I am part of the youth, but you go with the youth to the forest to go and search for Donatus while I stay with Mama Bo. Let me stay here with Mama now.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay.
No problem.
Go give me information. Let me feed her with information.
Okay.
Thank you.
Forge ahead, forge ahead. Where's the voice coming from? Why are they laughing like Indian Waka?
Willingly.
Willingly.
Welcome to SAMBISA. Let's proceed to picking point.
Okay. You mean these voices are the voices of those girls?
Kidnapped girls.
Oh, exactly. As you can see, the voices are coming from here, this side. In that case, first of all, Buruza. Now, Buruza now.
Nebuzi the Tavi Nayara. Oh, Moman, you are a jingle for Behana. The smell of is something to hope for.
Welcome to heaven. Wow, paradise in earth. Can you look at these beautiful, beautiful girls? I hope you're seeing what I'm saying. Come, let's go, let's go. What is wrong?
Are you stupid?
I'm not stupid, but I'm your master.
Let me tell you, this is the goest I can go. I cannot go goer than this.
Okay. Okay.
You just see girls rushing. Don't you know you will plan it? Those bush haram that keep them there, maybe guiding them.
Hey, forget about the Bush Haram and the Boko Haram and the Haram. See, all we need to do now is just go there, bring all of them. In fact, like me, as for me, I'm going to choose 1, 2.
Silent! Some people are in our kingdom. There they are. They must have come a long way. But we need them in our midst. Go and get them.
You people don't have to rush us. We are still here for you people.
No, we can't be peace.
We can't be peace for you people.
We can't rescue you. We can't rescue you. I thought they said that you people are 200 in number. How come you are? Only 10.
Others know the message. Others go message.
Okay,
Madam, I know.
Let's go. When order comes, we will come back for second mission.
My interest.
So let's go the others. Let's go.
Come sit down.
Huh?
Let's go now.
You like this bush where you did?
No.
You know what go down?
We came on rescue mission. So we need to rescue you.
You are rescued yourself. You are rescued.
So let's go.
Sit down first. Feel at home.
Yeah. No, my heart.
We have a homeless place.
Where's the name of our village?
Yes, that is the village.
Where's the name of our village?
They will understand.
Let's go. After I will come and rescue others too. Let's go.
No, the bank. I'm going to see the view. Please, we have not eaten for long. We know they like too much food. Something like small apple, like 8 pieces. Egusi, no put a bitter leaf for this spoon from bitter leaf. Put small for us inside our plate.
You don't even give us the first one. You're demanding the whole one for me.
No, I don't say me they give. I say
Then we don't take it. No, give us. Then we don't take it.
Donatus Ruamo. Hey, what will I tell my people? Carrying a bandit, Donatus
Of Eden. See, I am floating.
I'm flying.
I don't know. It is written all over her.
Thank you for the hospitality. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Thank you very much. Thank you for the hospitality.
I don't know what's in the worry you. Eh? You know, she nearly make me peace for my trouser.
See, let me tell you, whether you piss on your trouser or not, they are still the same. Because the way you talk, the way you do, and the way you behave is that of a child. When you do and give one home has. Do you know that something has been bothering me since?
What is bothering you?
Do you know that these girls, we thought that they are keyboard girls are not even, no one, chibok, not to talk of the girls.
But they are girls, huh?
These girls you are seeing here, and you are seeing here, they held us captives.
Wait. But they are girls, huh?
But this type of girls, they are different.
How?
What do you mean by how? See, look at the kind of students all of them are putting on. They put on the same type of clothes, as if they came from the same family. Okay. As you can see, they are not from the same family. They are from different family, but how do you feel they are? Okay. I'm suspecting something is fishy.
Okay. Now you carry your 2 legs, enter the Jerusalem bar. Receive this one in a time. Leave me alone. Leave me to enjoy this thing I have come to enjoy, and I'm enjoying it.
You may die here if fear is not taken.
See, let me tell you, if I die here, I die as a fulfilled man. In fact, I even die late.
You die late?
What are you not talking about?
You should have told me now. Let me use my hand and kill you now, so that you better die.
Mama.
What are you both doing here?
We are learning how to play Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell.
Then let's join them.
Yeah.
Oh, you can do Jingle Bell too.
Yeah.
What are friends for? Sat here. Okay. Jingle bell, jingle ABC. Babangida open yash, everybody say. Do you see that thing? Is it good or bad? Do you see that muru everywhere you go?
Very soon.
Please concentrate on the nipple. Yes, sir, the nipple. Hey, no place like Sambisa. What a face for? Not even as I like it. I don't like it. I love it. Hey, please concentrate on the nipple. Yes. If I come, I'm okay. Yes, no place like Sambisa. I love this journey. There is no place like Sambisa. If I die now, I die very late. Why hadn't I died before now? Hey! You guys are spoiled to my liking. The nipple is important. But who corrupted? I thought you people are virgins when they brought you here. How did you people get corrupted? Hey, spoiled Sambisa. Mama, you can never see me again. Please, nipple.
Bye. Attention, please. Donna.
Hey.
Donna.
Hey.
Donna. Come.
Yes.
Hey!
Oh, you're not big Jara. I should come. I cannot come like that unless they press it, then I will come easily. Huh? Very important. My dear, there's nothing important than all these Chibok girls I'm seeing here. No place like Chibok. No place like Sambisa. Hey! Hold! I love this. Hey! No place like Sambisa. Sambisa is the sweetest place to be. Ronum Kajimano. Swanum Kede. If I die now, I die late.
So you were trying to escape? Me? Trying to escape from this beautiful and sweet environment? Am I mad?
So what were you trying to do?
Hey, well, you know, since you people captured, since you people caught us, people have been feeding us, giving us a lot of food, you know, and they say, oh, I cannot play Miss Jackie, don't boy. So, you know, I looked at myself and I saw that he had my add his weight. And I've got a job, so I decided to run, to do some jogging.
I can't go now.
He wanted to escape. Sit down. I said, sit down.
Oh, wait. You want to escape and see the sweet like heaven, so you want to go back to hell? Nah, let me tell you the truth. I'm a man here.
You have eaten the forbidden fruit. You're stuck here forever.
You lie. That is where you lie, the highest lie you can ever lie, your highest life. See, let me tell you, I am not stuck in this forest and I don't even know this. Shut up! You two, shut up.
Every mother is right. You're stuck here forever.
Madam, Mami, what Madam, I'm stuck here.
I see. Obaka!
What's wrong?
They have been fed with the food of evil.
Hey.
And if you don't do anything to save them, there is nothing anybody can do.
What do I have to do?
You have to do something fast, so that I can prepare you for the great task ahead. But there are things you have to bring.
Okay. Let me go and get the money for you. Huh? Let me go and bring the money and give you.
You bring money. You bring a white pregnant goat.
Hey! and some kola nuts. Ah, poor so for my mother madema. Where's one? Get out to Balewi. Where am I going to get a wet pregnant goat? Ah, poor so for my mother madema. Another thing, you must bring a cock that has never fatted before. What's what? How are you going to have in your canesi? You know that is not possible. Is it possible? Yeah, go on Barumbo. In this world, there is nothing like impossible. Now go. Okay. Yeah, I can just talk on Barumbo. Okay, I will get back to you.
Story tickles my ear. So can you explain to me properly?
Okay, Mama. To cut everything short now, your son Donatus is in the land of the dead. And he has taken the forbidden fruit meant for the dead.
Hello. Hey. Hello.
Oh yes, meant for the spirit.
My son.
Yeah, there's a lalo say.
Bia, Obaka. If it is your plan to come and steal my white goat and collect money from me, it will not work.
Hey, I don't go get white goat. Mama, who is talking of black goat here? Okay, let me tell you. Have you been able to ask yourself this question? That you went to bed with your son at night, then the next morning he is nowhere to be found. Aha! This is not even a matter of We better start now to go and search for that goat before it will be late. Anam.
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going to?
I'm going to my house, of course.
So, what do I do?
What do I?
What do I do?
Okay, what do I do? Mama, I don't know what you do now. You don't want to listen to me. So, it's better I go to my house. And mind you, Donatus is your son, not my son. We're only friends. Not friends, so casual. So, do something and find your son. Casual friends.
You are going. You are going.
No, I'm coming.
Hey.
I'm coming. Amade. Don't feel like I'm going to disturb you. You know, ever since you told me about the girls in the bush, I went and discussed this with my friends, Ugiri and Donatus. They went to Sambisa forest in search of those girls. Like I'm talking to you now. They are nowhere to be found.
You mean Ugiri and Donatus went to Sambisa forest? For what now?
And I discussed this with them playfully. I never meant it. I never meant it.
I have killed myself with my own bare hands.
Hey!
So what do you want to do now?
I came here for you to lead me on how to go there. Direct me.
Lead you with Egbe, gun, or with leg, or with Amot.
Amadi, just give me direction. Let me go there. Even if we can know find about the Kanda Furafu. Playfully, I told them this. They went straight to Sambisa forest.
You, Ukpaka, Aleka, want to go Sambisa to go and rescue your friends? Nah, change the topic. They will come back. I don't think they went to Sambisa. Please, change the topic.
Amadi, even if Sambisa forest is spiritual, as you've said, it is none of my business. All I want from you is to tell me how to go there, so that I will rescue my friends, my brothers. You don't even know give her.
My brother.
I
don't know the road to Sambisa forest. I cannot advise even my own enemy to go to Sambisa forest. That place is spiritual.
Okay, Amade. You don't want to lead me to Sambisa forest? You don't want to tell me?
Ugiri and Donatus.
Okay. Since you don't want to tell me not to go there, it's better I go and meet Takuja.
Oh yes. Jaweti.
Let me go and meet Jakuja.
Onyekana Jakuja.
You don't know him? Huh?
It's none of your business.
No. Keep it to yourself. Keep the direction to yourself. Let me go and see Jakuja.
I have killed myself. What have I done to myself? Ugiri and Donatus, as big as they are.
Now listen to my instruction. I can bend down. Listen to my instruction. You see, take this. Take this.
Okay, kola nut.
Yes. Wear this on your neck. Don't let it fall. Because if it does, you die. The kola nuts, whenever you are hungry, choose small from it. Sip from the bottle.
Okay.
Don't allow anybody to see it. Understood?
Yes, wise one.
If anyone sees it, you die.
Another
thing, whenever you are with your friends, give them to sip from the bottle. Give them kola nut to chew. Don't dance to the tune of the chorus. Because if you do, you die.
What's one?
Let me rush to the house and change my clothes.
Good.
Good.
Now go.
Then I can now wear this on my neck.
Yes, you wear it. Put it inside your clothes.
Oh, okay. Okay. How goes of my mother? What am I?
How goes of my mother? What am I? You people should better leave us alone. No. Leave us alone. No. All the nutrients we have, you people have sucked it dry. Yet you're not satisfied. Happy when are you?
The messenger is getting close.
Hey, thank God. Shut up!
What do we do with these ones? The jolly one is ready.
Yeah? This is jolly.
We'll get rid of them before the messenger comes.
You know, you have sacrificial lambo.
Yes, we are only waiting for daybreak. But when is the feast actually taking place?
It's just a matter of hours.
Oh, I can't wait. It's going to be a great feast.
You wait till next 100 centuries. Nothing will happen.
I can't wait.
It's a feast we have once in every 1,000 years.
You people look for another candidate.
Merriment and jubilation all the way.
I said look for another candidate to see jubilation. Why are you jubilating on?
Oh, he's awake.
Doro, are you awake?
Make the jolly one happy.
People should leave us alone. Leave us alone. Silver and gold, we have none. Only our nutrients and people have sucked it dry. Doro?
Where is this sound coming from? Hey. See my son. Is this thing coming out from my buttocks? Hey. Look, if I need a cigar, I'll come in maybe. Let me just go in there and release myself. Huh? So I'll come and lose some maybe. Even I'll come in maybe a cigar. Huh? Maybe maybe. What's you go tank gas, yes? Huh? What I can live in here, is it? Huh? In a two delay. Hey.
Hey. Oh. The guy is better now. I think I'm better now. What is it again? Huh? Hey! Could it be this color nut you want me not to eat? Hey! 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 How goes of Mama? How goes of Mama? How goes of Mama? How goes of Mama? How goes it? How goes it?
What you do, Sirang? You regret? Yeah? You know your papa's house? You don't know where he come from? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, is that? Hey, I don't come home. Don't get power. Make me relax.
Who asked you to sit down? Do you want the great Ndakunda to strike you dead?
I don't want to die.
Now, why are you here? What brought you to the shrine of Ndakunda?
Hey.
Remove your slippers!
Hey. Hold it. Hey. Welcome, Simo, come get power, Bira. So I will carry and go SAMBISA Forest, Bira. To bring fine girls. One way good, way soft like that. Those one way they eat all this ajabo food. Bira, so I will carry and go aquarium. They're going to call me young Vururum. Back Vururum. Okay, give us power. Big girls, where they find like this, they keep better breast, Bira. Never won't. That is why I don't come.
Do you want to die?
No! I don't want to die. I don't want to die. You want to die.
Haven't you heard
that those that go to that SAMBISA forest, they never return alive?
Hey, you don't go return, but us go return with girls and even Nama. We'll give you one. One way we'll give you. We'll touch better breast, Birat. Please, give us the power. We want to go. Hey, hear me.
Now, leave the shrine of Ndakunda.
Okay, wait.
For Ndakunda strike you dead.
Wait. Who is one good? He bribe you, Birat. Big one. Fat one way, fat like your head. Yes.
I said leave.
I said leave.
Idiots! What has this young man Amadi done in this land? Going everywhere spreading false news. Why those who are not yet back? No. I must do something about those plates. I must do something.
Oh, Giri! Ujungwa.
Huh? Are you surprised to see me?
Yes, of course I'm surprised to see you because this place is far from home. Yeah, very far from home.
This is my mother's village. Ikunem.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Now, wow. Okay, that's good.
You know I've really missed you.
Would you? Is everything alright?
Something on your neck is pushing me up and I cannot be able to hold you.
Ah! Who are you?
I'm Uju, of course.
Who is you?
I am your love.
I said it. This is not the real Uju. Hey! Aha! I'll thank you. I saw you. Not Uju. Where are you?
Habaramwala. Njakunja.
I am stronger than you. I have this. Come out and try me. You think you can deceive me?
Oh, Guru, Jolly. Ijana grande mo. Ijendi mo. I said go on and save your life.
Sofuma. Motangodema. Abo Sofuma. Amotangodema. Eh? Does it mean I've not even gotten to where they are? Does it mean I've not gotten to where they are? Abo Sofuma Motangodema. Eh? Do I even know the place I am? Huh? Sofuma.
Say! Oh, stay here, door.
See what he calls. See what he calls.
Now you go, sir.
That's the way he talks to that place. What am I
saying? Make I don't fuck up, Birad. You don't fuck up. Why Raman tell us to leave that baby, Birad? It's because we no prep him.
But no see my chest. You see I dey gallant. I dey jadant.
You know what job? You get garant. You get great.
That short man is too much.
You get great. Don't know where to go. Short man, Birad get power. Na native doctor. Native doctor, Birad. Native doctor. You make her look your back, front, behind, sideways, look, corner, front. You know see him? You know see? Okay. You don't see him. You don't see him. Another never don't come. We'll go private, maybe doctor. May give us palm, go some visa forest, go bring girls. We're fine. Fine girls. Pirat.
Again.
Hey now.
Again.
Yes.
That man no go you.
You know what you will do? You will carry this good, go serum. Carry the money, buy bicycle. Go some visa forest, go bring girls.
Bicycle fika no reach there.
That place. Shut up, your mouth, Pirat. Carry fine girls, come do big boy for Akwa Ibom. They go come. Piri don't fuck. That mean I big man I be. Yeah, take that.
We go Sambisa forest, come back, come to the seafood, so say fine girls today for Sambisa forest, yeah.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike ibatago. Amadi onye njeme, onye army. Waiting there for their mind be say Sambisa forest now for enjoyment, yeah.
What is this? What am I seeing?
Mother of the sun, mother of the sun, mother, we love you.
Am I dreaming? Huh? No. I'm awake now. I'm awake. Hey. This is real. This is real.
Mother of the sun, mother of the sun, mother, we love you. Mother of the sun, mother of the sun, mother, we love you.
The messenger is here. Huh. He might cause us more harm. What do we do then? Go and give him a rousing welcome.
Stop this your longer throat behavior though. Every time you be always like That's how you behave. Eh?
I beg.
Stand your face that see you that person.
Make a beg. Give me some more granite, Birad. Correct. Hey.
Take am easy.
Okay.
You don't chop today.
I'm not because you give me some more granite, you don't talk to me anyhow. If you brag, I'll give you back the granite.
I'm not the cook food, you go chop.
What about the bread, Birad?
You must chop the bread. It's too small.
Make you get some to where you talk with that tongue. You don't give me the bread now. Your back be like this, number two. Don't crap on that play, Birad.
Talk now. Everything I say there. Wow.
Hey, come here! Come here! Come here! Come here!
Hey!
Who goes sleep for Mama God's house?
Are the boy beans?
Huh? You the boy? Come here!
Come here! They say come here!
Now you talk.
Who goes sleep for Mama God's house?
Now you the thief where we be that, okay? Now you teach me how to do clothes.
I'm talking about go sleep Mama God's good. For this my village, I never asked you to do jump.
Okay.
Okay. Why you lie down? They
say lie down now. Okay, lie down. Why?
Mama, now you have the respect too. Oh my God, you really say we need another village here. When you touch who will stay with them and they will come steal them. What kind of children is this? And that Calabar boy. Don't worry. They call you Okon, Abi. No problem.
Obaka, who sent you on this journey? Why did I come here? Huh? It is now that I truly believe that I'll go Sofuma. I'm not one of them. Now that I know that I'll go Sofuma. I'm not one of them. Hey, where haven't I searched for these guys? For the very first time in my life, I'm seeing an animal that looks like a human being. I saw the animal from afar, and I thought it was a human being. Hey, you go up here, make it even if I eat it too much. Eat it too much. Huh? You know your duty? From what I'm seeing, it's like I've lost all the strength in me. I want you to regain my strength back, okay? That is your responsibility. I think the strength is now back. Hey, let me just rest a little and continue the journey. I'm going to go, and there's no going back. Okay. I must live with Donatus. Okay. Aha! It's like the strength is not back. Donatus! Okay? Here I come. Here I come. Here I come.
Is this young man? Ndakunja. Does it mean this young man Obaka didn't follow my instruction? These people are trying me. This Obaka is trying me. I gave him instruction, he disobeyed me and did another thing. No, that cannot happen. That cannot happen. That cannot happen.
What brought me here? Huh? I should have allowed one of you to stay here and die.
But let me ask you. What's your motive? The motive is it to kill us and eat us?
Ogiri, are you asking their motive? The only motive they have is to turn us to Surreal.
No.
Suya and Aboki.
Hey, there's woman Suya.
Suya and Aboki.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You people should leave me. I love these girls. They are lonely.
Shut up. Shut up, elephant. Huh? Nama, look at this elephant too. It's because of this elephant that's why you are still here. If not, we would have escaped since. Do you know that on seeing those girls, he started saying, Am I
Mania?
No, even including you, all of us, we have Malanayo.
Ogiri? Ogiri? Do you know the problem I always have with you?
Of course, you always have problem with me.
Each time you open your mouth and call Donatus elephant, are you not aware that you are a baby elephant?
Elephant shepherd.
Where are we, sir? Where are we? Where are we?
I will answer you. I came here out of jealousy. When both of you disappeared from the village to be here, I deceived all the villagers that was coming here to rescue you. Now look at where I have landed myself. Hey! Kingdom Ekwensu Obelo Kota. Kingdom Ekwensu Obelo no Kota. My hands are tied. Oh, okay, let me see if I can. Let me push it. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible.
Stop it. Let's go to Mimi now.
What do we do now?
Huh? Yes. I was supposed to be here with the liquid, but I forgot it somewhere.
You forgot it somewhere?
Inside this forest.
What will you do with the liquid? Are we going to drink it?
We must have to look for a way for me to go and bring it. If I bring that liquid here, we are free. Yes.
If you leave, don't come back. I don't want to live here. Any plan you people have? I don't want to live here. I love this here.
I think that's a nice point. That's a nice idea. What if people claim that you're dead?
Who are who?
Whoa.
What was that noise for? I think it's the messenger of the visitors. Go and find out.
Okay, we are dead.
Which person that?
You are dead. Even if you are not dead, you must eventually die.
Practice.
The thought that we no get break strike you.
I look like a person went that for a face.
Of course.
No get break strike you.
Huh?
May thunder we no get break. You know me ten?
Who thinks I want?
Appetite for what? Elephant.
It's for just for a while, yo. I will come back in the morning.
Help! Hey!
Help!
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 Help! Help! Our brother is dead, oh!
Small.
Our brother is dead. Have you seen what people have caused? Have you seen what they've caused? Our brother is dead, so Donatus is dead. I told you allow us to go in peace. Now you allowed it. Ow! Donatus!
Donatus. I'll tell you before I start smelling.
Is there any mortuary here?
No, that is
there any mortuary here?
People want to eat meat, okay?
Is there any
mortuary?
Donatus.
Donatus. Come on, look at that milk.
Donatus. So, are we going to carry his dead body back to the village? My brother, my friend is dead.
People want to eat your way.
Donatus! Donatus! Donatus!
Thank you. Rest in peace. Thank you. Where is the other brother? Look at him. Let's get him. Yeah.
I thought you said I'm dead.
You thought again?
Nah, mama. Wait. I'm not going anywhere.
Bye-bye.
They are going, I'm alive. Who do you want me to leave these beautiful girls with? They are lonely. They need some. I'm here. Madam, I'm not going anywhere. Let me tie myself. I'm not leaving them. I love this place, but I'm not going to village. Come and tie me back, or I'm alive. I'm here. I'm holding myself till you people arrive to tie me.
No! They must not escape. The sacrifice must be performed. Go and find them. Go!
Please, more. The nipple. See, Madam Mami, I say, Madam, this your girl is very generous to womanhood. Honestly.
My loyal child.
What are friends for? I'm a man and car. Madam, I don't carry ring here. Please, but Madam, marry me. I don't want to go back to my village. I want to remain here. What are you doing here? Yes, oh, it's good.
Sit down.
You're welcome.
Today, we complete the cycle to the doors of eternity. By this sacrifice, which we perform once in every 1,000 years. Now, throw him into the fire. It is time.
Wait. What? Yeah, dude. I love my girls, but I don't know what you're doing here. Hey! Stand up! What am I doing here? It is not important. When we get to the village, I'll tell you. Let's go. Come. Come this way. Come this way. Come with me.
Oh God, please bring him back to me. Bring him back.
Mama.
Oh, good Linda.
Darling.
Oh, welcome.
Mama, what are you doing outside all alone at this time of the night?
I'm still waiting for Donatus to come back. Oh. I'm still waiting for him to come back. Oh. I'm blaming myself for everything. I'm the one that pushed him away. I pushed him away. How?
Mama, I have told you time without number to stop saying things like this. I believe every parent has their low moments with their children. It will certainly turn out good. Donatus will surely come back. Once his childishness subsides, he will come back.
I pray so.
Relax your mind.
I pray so. Fanya Jushugo. Oh, Fanya Jushugo.
Mama, I think it's high time the youth moved into action. By tomorrow's morning, as early as possible, the youth are going in search of Donatus. And I promise you, are certainly going to come back with your son.
Ememo, God, bring him back. Oh. Bring him back. Oh.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Just go to the bed. Go to bed. Hmm? It's late. Mama, go to bed. It's late.
I'll go. I'm waiting for my son to come back.
He will come back.
Amadi kusago bodo.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
Amadi kusago bodo.
Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago.
You go SAMBISA forest, come back, come to the seafood, so say fine girls today for SAMBISA forest.
Yeah. Amadi onye soja, onye ike, ibatago. Amadi onye njeme, onye ami. Waiting there for their mind be say SAMBISA forest
Now for enjoyment, yeah. Why you not tell them? Waiting your eyes see for SAMBISA forest, yeah. Ewo Donatus, oh
Donatus,
you die senseless, oh. Big for nothing food, you know the think at all. Your mama no get money, the money where she get, you carry and give woman.
onye nzuzu, onye iberibe, ewo.
Dona, ugiri, n'ụkpaka.
Ọ bụ gịnị bụ iwu unu?
Iyo kokoko. Dona n'ugiri, ụkpaka. Wetin una dey do, wetin una dey find, wetin dey una mind, wetin una dey think. Job una no get it. Una parents don tire, even girls for village dey run for una. People don tire, everybody don tire.
Ndị nzuzu, ndị iberibe, ndị agazi, ha nwere sense, ha na-ezuzu.
Ewo